Yeah, good day, YouTubers. Just to give you some information, this is my wash I made. I made two batches, two 25-litre batches. So this batch here on the left hand side, I used 9 kilograms of white sugar, and also filled it up to 25-litre mark, and I have put liquid carbon with it. This batch on the right hand side, it's also a 25-litre batch, also got a liquid carbon in it, help with the fermentation stage. Also this one I used raw sugar and not white sugar. Actually I got a higher percentage of wine alcohol with this batch here. I got about 24% lone wine alcohol reading, and this batch here I got a 20% low alcohol reading on this batch with the white sugar. So the one with the raw sugar gave me a higher yield of alcohol. Then on the other side I want to show you this different refractometers. This is a bricks meter that you can check your wort, the sweetness, and also the alcohol. Then this is a RHW 80 ATC, which you can measure alcohol with. Then I've got a gravity feed, meter that you can measure your gravity of your wort, see if it's finished fermented. Then I've got some different Alcometers. This is a Alcometer. That's another Alcometer which I paid $10 for, Australian dollars. And that's the still spirits one, just different brands, different length. The little temperature for fish tank that I can measure temperatures with. Also this is a hydrometer which I use for beer making. Also you can see or wash, see if it's finished fermented. Then this is the thing I want to talk about that I use to measure my things. And if you can see the scales on it, it goes from 0 to 25%, and it looks like that. So basically what this is, it's what I call a wine meter. So as you can see there, I don't know if you can read it, but it's a wine alcohol meter. So that will measure the alcohol, and it looks just like that. So it's a wine alcohol meter, and it tells you how to use it. So you're pouring your mash on the top, then you wait for it to drip down. As soon as it's dripped down and it's got no air bubbles in it, you flip it upside down, and it works all on gravity. It will tell you how much wine alcohol you got in your wine or in your mash. So I measured it, and like I said, with my raw sugar I got 24% alcohol, which is exactly the same amount of sugar, 9 kilos of raw sugar. On the left batch I used 9 kilograms of white sugar. Both I used the same still spirits, Alcotech. I used the Alcotech 48 yeast in both of them, and I'll show you the inside. So this is just to clear the wash. So that's a part A and part B that you use to clear the wash with. It removes 90% of yeast cells, solids, and other compounds from the wash. So you got to use part A, and then after about an hour you add in part B, and you just let it sit for about 24 hours, or you can let it sit for more. So I'm going to show you how the wash looks on the inside. So this is the wash with the white sugar. So there you can just see the color of it. It's got some liquid carbon in it. I've still got to clear the wash. I haven't cleared it yet. So that's just to show you how it looks when it's not cleared. This is the other wash with the raw sugar that I still have to clear as well. Still haven't cleared it. And that's the wash with the raw sugar. And that black stuff on the side, that's the liquid carbon. It just get rid of all the impurities while it's fermenting. That's why I use liquid carbon. It gives it a better taste. It just absorbs, like I say, it absorbs all the impurities while it's fermenting. Just close the lid properly. And any questions, just send me a message and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.